The Topspur pack. The Topspur pack. Big up to everyone locked in. Topspurs 0. Asna 1. Give the set piece coach a pay rise. Give him a pay rise. That was Saka's best corner he's taken for about a year. Gabriel Magalhaes with the dagger. Big Ange standing looking lost. You know the Danny Dyer clip? I am fucking shitting myself. What have I got myself into? That is Big Ange realizing the history of the Topspurs. You can call for the manager to be sacked at Topspurs all you like. It's not a manager problem. It is a football club problem, which is why I don't ever see them as rivals, which is why I never had my panties around my ankles on the 14th of May, North London together. Whilst a large percentage of our fan base were on their knees for that football club. Please beat City, please. Oh, Sonny, should he missed on purpose? Same football club, lads, yeah? No Odegaard, no Rice. Didn't even play well. Weren't even good today. In fact, we were poor, very poor, very poor. Defensively, we were all over the gaff at times. Midfield, non-existent at times. However, Brennan Johnson. You paid how much for him? 50 million. 100 grand a week and that, yeah? Wow. 100 grand a week. Timo Werner. Odebert. Dominic Solanke. Kulusevski. Rolls-Royce Romero. Van der Ven. Vicario. Okay. You got absolutely done again. 3 in a row. It's happened again. It's happened again. It's the history of the Topspurs, lads. Yeah, and this is why I don't see them as rivals. They're neighbours. They're neighbours. They're not rivals. They don't win nothing. 16 years without a trophy. Before any clever dick tries giving it the big one about, oh, you've gone 4. I already know. That's why I call my club out all the time. However, that club has gone 4 times longer without a trophy. All of their fans getting loud, thinking they could beat us today. I predicted a draw. So I'll take the win, lads. In the grand scheme of things, it's irrelevant, really, because we ain't going to win the league, are we? Let's just be honest. The Topspurs pack. North London together, whatever the weather, and all of that, yeah? 14th of May. Never forget. Never forget, guys. Never forget. Now these men want to make it a rivalry again. Really? Okay. We rode our luck today. If they had Harry Kane up front today, they win that game. If they didn't have Harry Kane up front, they had Gareth Bale in the team, they win the game. We got very, very lucky today. Gabriel Martinelli, we need to speak about this guy because I see so many Arsenal fans that don't have the same standards for Martinelli as they do for Trossard. Trossard starts, he's no good. Okay, why did Martinelli not get subbed off until a minute or 30 seconds after Trossard? Trossard was one of our better players today. Martinelli was our worst player. He was awful. Absolutely woeful today. How many minutes did he play, guys? Okay. So when Martinelli starts, maybe he's no good anymore. Maybe this is why you need a squad. Maybe this is why you need a whole squad of players so you can rotate. So when they go through a period where they're poor, you can bring somebody else in and they can start for 3 or 4, 5, 6 games. But no, different standards for Martinelli than it is for Trossard. However, always nice to beat the Topspurs because they are mouthy for no reason. I don't really get it. At least with Arsenal fans, yeah, they're mouthy and they're very mouthy online. However, at least we've actually won stuff in our lifetimes, the majority of us anyway. Well, in fact, everyone, because they would have seen the FA Cup win, wouldn't they? Tottenham haven't won a trophy for going on 16, 17 years. So, for you to have seen that trophy, you've got to be in your mid-20s. You've got to be in your mid-20s to see the last time that chicken on a basketball club, the Daniel Levy club, it's about the Damani club, actually won a trophy. So why do they get so loud? I don't really understand. I've never understood why they get so loud. It makes no sense to me. Every year they give it the Bertie. Every year they give it the Bigham. This year it'll be different. We've got a Tottenham back. We've got a Tottenham back. Remember they were singing that after a couple of games under Big Ange. Now I'm seeing Ange out. It's not an Ange problem. It wasn't a Conte problem. It wasn't a Jose problem. It wasn't a Poch problem. It is a Daniel Levy problem. So instead of gassing up every single player that you sign and every single manager that you sign, thinking it'll be different, it won't. I'm here to tell you right now, it won't. Because they're crap. The whole club is shit. The mentality is shit. It's about the money. They're only there for the money. Daniel Levy does not care about winning. Real talk. You got some good players. You have got some good players. But at the same time, mentality, guys. Yeah, you're a feeder club. Yeah, Van der Ven won't be there much longer. Adoji won't be there much longer. Is what it is. Sarr probably won't be there much longer. Romero probably won't be there much longer. Even Porro, the whole back line, probably won't be there much longer. Then what? Round and round and round Spurs go. Same with Arsenal. We just do it with nicking a cup every now and again. Until Spurs and Arsenal will sort their mentality out, especially Spurs, because at least we win stuff here and there. But until Spurs sort their mentality out, they ain't winning nothing. They are not winning nothing, lads. Yeah, and this is why I don't rate them. And this is why I don't see it as a rivalry. Yes, logistically, they're rivals, they're neighbours and all of this. Yes, because of what happened back in the day, postcodes, all of this shit, cool. Henry Norris getting back in the league and all of that at Tottenham, I get it. But at the same time, you can't have it one way and then have it the other way when it suits. So because Super Duper Mick didn't get the job done and the players didn't get the job done, you're now on your knees with your knickers around your ankles, celebrating, hoping, praying for a whole week that Topspurs do Arsenal a favour. Then the first North London derby after that, you don't want to call it a rivalry again. Mad. It's actually mad. But listen, we got the win. Well done. Fantastic. Great cross from Bukayo Saka from the corner. Best corner he's taken for a long time. He was poor today. I thought Martinelli was unbelievably shit, if I'm honest. Jorginho, stinker. Thomas Partey, I thought was poor. Timber did all right. Nothing amazing. He's just easing himself in. But I thought he was average, if I'm honest. Ben White, he got better the longer the game went because in the first half, he was trash. The goalkeeper today, bless up Raya. Bless up David Raya. On another day, we'd be 2-0 down. But here's what it is. Listen, we move on. We got out of there with 3 points. Like I said, I predicted a draw. We ended up with 3 points instead of 1. We move on to Atalanta on Thursday. And listen, I've seen a lot of people say that we should be throwing that game in the bin. Oh, we got Man City next weekend. We need to swerve that game. So we've done 7 years without Champions League football. That these men have told me Champions League football is the be-all and end-all. So now the first game in the second year back in the Champions League, we're going to throw it. Hopefully, the football club don't have that mentality. Hopefully they don't. Yeah, and like I said, anyone who's sitting there, yeah, loading it all up, 4-1. Barca are 4-1 up. Girona just got 1 back. At Girona as well, by the way. Barca have been cooking. But anyone who's got the mentality of throw that game in the bin, seriously, what are you doing? I want to win every single game. Every game. I want to win a title. I want to win a cup. I want to win all the cups. I want to win everything. Yeah, and this, we're building. It takes time, guys, and all this. Load of bollocks. What phase is Hansi flicking? He's won 5 out of 5. He's cooked Girona on their own park today. Cooked. 5 out of 5. Mad. Actually mad. But listen, bless up to everyone who's locked in. I will be doing an emergency meeting. Fancams with Kenny. He's at the game. Jez and then Matty as well. Big up to everyone who watched the watch along. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. I'll be doing the Atleti Valencia game later. So keep your eyes peeled for that. It kicks off 8 p.m. UK time. So yeah, we will be there, guys. But listen, 3 points is 3 points. But in the grand scheme of things, if it don't lead to a title, it's irrelevant. So get your comments in. Let me know your thoughts. Who was your man in the match? My man in the match today, I'd give it to probably Gabriel. Clean sheet, scored the goal. Overall played pretty well. So yeah, I'd give it to him. I thought Trossard done well. He was our best attacker. 29 was awful today. But yeah, David Raya done all right. Saliba done all right. Other than that, I'm kind of struggling. So this is what it is. But listen, bless up to everyone who's locked in. Make sure you sub, like, share, sub to Lee Reacts, and F the top Spurs, bruv. It's the history. It's the history. Sit. Kulkat for you Romanian G's out there. Kulkat means sit. Sit down. Sit, little puppy dog. Yeah, that's Tottenham. That's how I see Tottenham with my 4 eyes. Sit. Sit. Little bro. See you later. Ciao.